Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. As always, thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today, it's a 21 F150 Sport 4-wheel drive Whipple Supercharge. We're going to watch a dyno pull. I have Doug with me. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date to watch videos like this, Mustang videos, all kinds of other cool vehicles on our dyno here at Brent Speed. Doug, let's go over here and check it out. All right, so here's how it's going. You can check that description in this video to click on and read a little bit more about this supercharger, but it's the Whipple. It's the Gen 5. 4x4, 93 octane truck. Doug, come down, take a look. It's basically, as far as, from the engine standpoint, stock vehicle. We installed the 50 state Whipple kit. So this is a 21, it's 50 state legal. It's got the Whipple calibration. It is the stage 2. So we have the big 132 throttle body. These come with a nice air induction system. You get larger injectors, but instant torque when you go wide open throttle. They make really good power. So right now, let's check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. DynoJet SAE, so not standard. I know a lot of videos out there show standard numbers. 529 raw horsepower, 7,000 RPM. Torque 438 at 4,700. Now, of course, we can't dyno this in the 7th or 6th gear because of hitting the speed limiter. So I think right now we're making the pulls in 4th or 5th gear. But with these big tires, those are good numbers. I mean, on the before run, this thing only put down like 310 of the tires. So it's an awesome gain for simply installing a 50 state legal kit. Killer truck, man. Love the four-door, clean looking. It's a sport, has a cloth interior. I think it's really sweet. So if you're looking for an install, you email quote@brentspeed.com. Say what's it cost. Subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. And don't forget, check that description. I will have a link. You can read more about the Supercharger. As always, leave a comment. We're happy to answer. Thank you.